Welcome to Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We're passionate about transforming discarded wood into beautiful, profitable furniture. Stay tuned for creative ideas and tips. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more inspiring craft and decor content. Join us on this eco-friendly journey today. Consider creating a cozy seating area with waterproof cushions. Winter garden decor not only beautifies your outdoor space, today, we're exploring innovative ways to transform old tires into stunning decor pieces for both indoor and outdoor spaces. Repurposing tires is not only eco-friendly but also incredibly versatile. Whether you want a cozy seating area in your garden or unique indoor decor, old tires can be upcycled into beautiful, functional items. With a little creativity and some basic tools, you can turn discarded tires into eye-catching art pieces, furniture, or decorative accents that add character and sustainability to your home environment. Let's start with outdoor decor ideas. Old tires can be converted into vibrant planters that brighten up your garden or patio. Simply clean the tires thoroughly, paint them in lively colors or patterns, and fill them with soil and your favorite plants. These tire planters can be stacked or arranged creatively to form a colorful garden border or a unique display. They are sturdy, affordable, and eco-friendly, making them perfect for outdoor decoration. Plus, they help recycle waste, reducing environmental impact while adding a personal touch to your outdoor spaces. Indoor decor with tires offers endless possibilities too. One popular idea is transforming tires into stylish poufs or ottomans. Wrap the tire in fabric, padding, and secure it with strong glue or sewing. Add a plush cushion on top for comfort, and you have a trendy, rustic seating option. These poufs work well in living rooms, bedrooms, or even kids' play areas. They are customizable in size and color, allowing you to match your interior decor. Plus, using old tires indoors promotes eco-conscious living by reusing materials that would otherwise go to waste. Another creative indoor idea is using tires as unique wall decor or storage units. Paint the tires with vibrant colors or artistic designs. Then hang them on the wall for a modern, industrial look. You can also stack tires to create shelving units or display stands. For storage, insulate the tires and add lids to turn them into hidden compartments for toys, books, or craft supplies. These ideas not only maximize space but also add an innovative, rustic charm to your interior decor while giving old tires a new lease on life. For outdoor furniture, tires can be turned into charming garden benches or swings. Stack a few tires, secure them together, and add a wooden or metal seat on top for a comfortable bench. For swings, attach sturdy ropes or chains to the tires and hang them from sturdy trees or structures. Decorate with paint or fabric cushions to match your outdoor theme. These DIY furniture pieces are budget-friendly, durable, and environmentally friendly. They bring a playful, rustic vibe to your garden or backyard, perfect for family gatherings or relaxing weekends outdoors. Creative painting is a key step in repurposing tires for decor. Use weather-resistant paints for outdoor projects to ensure longevity. Bright colors, intricate patterns, or artistic designs can turn a plain tire into a stunning focal point. For indoors, metallic or pastel shades create a chic look, while outdoor tires can feature floral, geometric, or abstract motifs. Painting tires is an enjoyable craft that allows for personalization and artistic expression. By customizing your tires, you add personality to your decor while promoting sustainable reuse. making your space both stylish and environmentally responsible. Maintenance is simple but essential to keep your repurposed tire decor looking its best. Regularly clean outdoor tires with water and mild soap to remove dirt and dust. Reapply protective sealants or paint touch-ups as needed to prevent fading and cracking. For indoor tires, dust regularly and inspect for any wear or damage. If used as furniture, check the stability and reinforce if necessary. With minimal upkeep, your recycled tire decor will remain vibrant and functional, continuously adding charm and eco-consciousness to your indoor and outdoor spaces. Thank you for visiting Sari 11 Craft and Decor Inspiration Hub. We appreciate your support and interest in sustainable furniture making. If you enjoyed this content, please subscribe to our channel for more inspiring tips and ideas. Together, we can create beautiful, eco-friendly pieces and make a positive impact.